Imagine typing a simple idea into a tool, and 10 minutes later, you've got a digital product that's ready to sell and starts making you money while you sleep. Sounds insane, right? Well, that's exactly what Black Box Profits does. And I'm going to show you how it works, step by step. I've tried hundreds of tools and courses over the years, and honestly, nothing comes close to the speed, simplicity, and automation of Black Box Profits. If you want a hands-off way to create income-generating digital assets without tech headaches or writing a single line of content, this is it. So, what exactly is Black Box Profits? It's a cloud-based system that lets you feed in any simple idea and instantly creates a mini digital product, almost like a micro SaaS tool. You don't need to know coding, build funnels, record videos, or even have an audience. Who is this for? Beginners who want fast digital income, affiliate marketers looking for new products to promote, and anyone tired of writing courses or ebooks that never sell. And the best part? It solves the biggest problem most beginners face. I don't know how to make a product or get traffic. With Black Box Profits, the system does most of the work for you, delivering real value to customers and earning money while you focus on growth. Let me give you a quick peek at the dashboard. Here's where you enter your idea. You can create anything from niche tools, affiliate bonuses, lead magnets, or mini software assets. Hit Generate, and the system builds your product automatically. From here, you can list it on marketplaces like Etsy, Fiverr, Gumroad, or even use it to grow your email list. You can also bundle, license, or flip these assets for additional profit streams. Everything is done step by step inside the dashboard, literally minutes from idea to a sellable product.
What if I told you that this guy standing right here quietly made over $113,000 in the last 90 days without creating a course, without writing an ebook, and without running paid ads?
It sounds wild, right? I couldn't believe it when I looked back and added up the sales over the last 3 months. But this system works, and I've now used it to launch 3 new income streams.
Okay, hold on. We need to back up. What is this system? What did you do to create $113,000 and without all the things you usually have to do?
Well, I call it the black box system. It's a way you can take a simple idea and then have the black box create a high value digital product in less than 10 minutes. You're not creating a course, you're not writing an ebook. This is a new type of digital product that actually does the work for your buyers.
So it's like a software.
Yeah, exactly. These tools are like mini AI software assistants, except I'm not a coder, so I didn't have to code a thing. All you do is use the black box builder inside the system, and it walks you through every step. And it even builds the AI tool for you in literally minutes. So if you can type an idea into the black box, you can do this. It's really that simple.
And people are paying money for these.
They sure are. I've sold over 4,300 of these simple AI tools in just the last 90 days. They almost sell themselves because these are useful tools, far more valuable than a course or an ebook. With this, people don't have to learn something. This AI tool actually does the valuable tasks for them. And there's lots of ways to make money with these. You can sell them direct on marketplaces like Etsy, Fiverr, or Gumroad. You can bundle them as affiliate bonuses. You can use them as lead magnets. You can even sell these helpful tools to businesses for anywhere from $500 to $2,500 each. And those are just a few of the 10 ways I show you to monetize these AI tools that take only minutes to create.
So this isn't just about making a digital product faster. It's about creating better digital products.
Exactly. These are much easier to build, much faster to launch, and they sell for more because they actually do things for you, which gives the user high value. And most people have never seen this kind of digital product before, but trust me, as soon as they see what it can do for them, they feel it, and that's why they buy.
So why haven't we heard about this? Why isn't everyone doing it?
Because this is a brand new type of digital product. It's like the Kindle ebook wave back in 2010, except this isn't about creating ebooks. You're monetizing smart, interactive AI tools that people actually use and benefit from every day. And this black box system makes it super easy for anyone to do. Now, I don't know anything about coding, but I can type an idea in and out comes an amazing mini software product.
All right, so if someone's watching this and wants to build one of these little AI tools, what do they do next?
Just scroll down and I'll walk you through everything. I'll show you what the black box is, how it works, and how you can start building your first income generating AI tools in minutes. You'll see exactly how I did it, why it works so well, and why you should jump on this right now. This is such a hot new opportunity that it won't stay under the radar for very long, but right now you have first mover advantage.
Sounds really exciting. If you're even a little curious, scroll down. You'll see exactly why the black box system won't stay a secret for long. And if you're anything like me, you just gotta know how he did it.
Black Box Profits also has a few optional upgrades for power users. OTO1, Premium AI Builder, more templates and advanced options for $67. OTO2, Agency License, sell the system or tools to clients valued at $197. These aren't required, but if you want to scale faster or sell to other businesses, they're worth considering. Remember, even without upgrades, you can start creating and selling right away. Now, here's the exciting part, my exclusive bonus stack. These are 10 plus high-value tools and resources you get when you grab Black Box Profits through my link. WP Slideshow Master, create eye-catching slideshows to boost engagement. Lead Book Generator, integrate Facebook leads directly to your list. WP Email Timer Plus, countdown timers for urgency inside emails and websites. Conversion Equalizer, optimize Google Ads conversion ratios automatically. Sales Page Recycler, reuse any sales page without duplication hassle. Action Poll, segment your email list for higher conversions. Article Analyzer, boost SEO with keyword-optimized articles. Website Pouch Pro, hide or show content strategically to increase clicks. Slide Up Bar plugin, build opt-ins and grow your list efficiently. 100 ready-made niche blogs, get pre-built blogs that attract traffic instantly. And there's even more, tools for social media, affiliate marketing, and video automation. All these are exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else, and they'll turbocharge your results when used alongside Black Box Profits. Here's my final verdict. Black Box Profits isn't just another course. It's a digital product factory. If you act now, you can start creating sellable assets in minutes and capture an early mover advantage before the market gets saturated. But a quick heads up, these exclusive bonuses and access are only available for a limited time or to the first 25 buyers. Once they're gone, this edge disappears. Click the link below now to grab your copy and claim all the bonuses before it's too late. Thanks for watching. Hit like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-converting affiliate reviews. All the details and exclusive bonuses are in the link below. Don't miss out.